Hi there everybody, today's video I have this VW Golf Estate 2016. Just gonna show you where you can top up some screen wash fluid. So basically, if you get your bonnet open and you look to the right hand side here, there's this blue cover. If you open that cover, you can put your screen wash fluid in there. And you can basically buy some screen wash fluid from any garage or petrol station. You can buy the ready mixed one or the concentrated one. But if you get the ready mixed, you can just pour it in there. And I wouldn't recommend putting just pure water in there because it will freeze in winter. And also I wouldn't recommend mixing it with any washing up liquid, because then it becomes a bit jelly type and it blocks your jets, which then costs you more than trying to save on buying some proper stuff. This is not going to freeze and you'll always have that water coming out properly. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.